Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card and memory card into your Samsung A50. To do this operation, get your SIM card tool. You have it in your box and push it into this hole, this little hole, and you have a place for 2 SIM card and 1 memory card. This is the place for the SIM card and 1 place for the memory card here. Now just easily press it into your home phone and voila, you have insert your memory card and SIM card into your phone. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe below. See you by next video. Hey!